So ito, round number 1. Huwag kang makukurap dito, brother. Ilang segundo. Brother, pagkatapos manalo ni Miel Fajardo, punta tayo sa kanyang world title fight. Ito ang kanyang makakalaban na isang world champion ng IBF sa flyweight division. 33 ang edad, 19 wins and 18 by way of knockout, no? Ito ang ating content, ilabas na natin. Brother, ito ang Miel Fajardo latest fight 2026. Pero sana, huwag kang mabibigla sa ginawa ng ating pambato sa bansang Argentina. Bakit? Dahil nagpakilala ito sa isang brutal na pamamaraan. Kilala sa tawag na silent assassin ng ating pambato. At ang ginawa nito ay first round brutal knockout. Ito ang bakbakang Miel Fajardo versus Tobias Reyes, kung saan plano pa sanang i-delay ang laban at pagurin ang ating pambato. Subalit sa isang iglap, ang lahat ng pandaraya, panlalamang ay napalitan ng matinding hinagpis mula sa bansang Pilipinas sa pagpapakilala ng The Silent Assassin, Miel Fajardo. Narito at magkasama nating saksiyan kung handa na nga ba ang ating pambato para sa IBF champion ng bansang Japan. So brother, arangkada na po itong si Miel Fajardo para sa IBF belt. Pero ang tanong lang, kaya niya bang wasakin o pagharian ang IBF belt? Dahil ang kalaban niya dito si Misamichi Yabuki. Tingnan lang natin na yung stats ha. 33 years old, 19 wins, 18 by way of knockout. So panoorin natin yung latest fight ni Miel Fajardo para masabi natin kung mananalo ba siya kay Yabuki. So ito, round number 1. Huwag kang makukurap dito, brother. Ilang segundo. Tinamaan agad ng solid at hindi ordinaryong suntok yun, brother, ha. Recognize si Miel Fajardo sa mga ganong uri ng suntok. Ayan na, brother. Sa mga nagsasabing mahina si Miel Fajardo, no? Ito yung patunay kung gaano kalakas, kadelikado itong si Miel Fajardo. At sa mga nagsasabing hindi pa ready, ready na, brother, dumayo na eh. Walang kadipe-depensa yung Argentinian fighter. Actually, ganyan yung mga kailangan nating mga boxer ngayon, no? Or fighter ng Pilipinas. Yung hindi na putik ang tagal bilangan. Wala, nag-time out pa. Dapat doon may minus points na kaagad eh. Yung mga ganyan, brother, disrespect yan sa boxing. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kahaba yan, no? O sige, pagbigyan. Kawawa lalo, brother. Body shot. Wala tulog. Tulog sa round 1. Ganyang kalakas si Miel Fajardo ngayon, brother, no? Ang tanong lang natin, tingin mo ba, brother, ready na to sa world title fight? Kahit yung kalaban niya doon si Yabuki, yung KO artist na almost 100% knockout ratio, 19 wins, 18 knockout, no? So, sino ba tong si Miel Fajardo sa mga hindi nakakakilala? Ilatag natin yung mga video nito, no? Ito na ang top number 2 natin. Kung saan ito yung unang pagkakataong ginulat ni Fajardo ang Argentina dahil sa brutal na ginawa sa undefeated fighter na to. So dito nagmula yung paghihigante sana ng mga Argentinian fighter. Pero ito nangyari.
Nice work, isn't it? There, just a little feint with the eyes running to the belly. Right, yeah, nice jab to the head.
Left hook was short.
Uy, ganda ng body shot. Ganda ng mga body shot ni Miel dito. Very effective, oh. Pak! Uy! Nasasaktan, brother. Tingin mo kay Miel, ready na sa world title belt, brother?
To go down to the body again there. Back onto the head, but he was letting his hands go, putting his punches together well.
Solid jab in there from Galto. He needs to be a bit busier.
Closes the space down when he throws that jab, doesn't he? Steps into it. And he needs to, because Fajardo just stays kind of on the borderline. He takes those feet out well. Do you think he got through solidly with one of those
Yeah,
body
it is,
shots?
yes, and particularly the second one for me.
He's just gone into a shell a bit, hasn't he? Down top. Not hugely, but something registered there, definitely. It's the final minute of round one.
Sharp left there from Fajardo there, left uppercut, left hook.
Nod of the head there from Galto. They both land at the same time. He's having a good opening round here for the Pino fighter.
Uy, talagang palaban yung Argentinian fighter. Ganda ng tactics ni Miel dito, no, hindi nagmamadali. Bagamat aggressive yung Argentinian fighter, kalmadong-kalmado yung ating pambato. May fight maturity na si Miel Fajardo.
Good shot.
Oh, beautiful left hand there from Fajardo, and that has put him down hard onto his back there, Galto. There was one just before that. There was a left to the body. He went up top, landed the left hand, and there was almost a nod of approval. And then he did it again, and Galto was just put straight down. No time left in the round, which is just as well for the Argentinian. Will it?
Grabe yung laro dito ni Miel Fajardo, brother. Pero yung Argentinian fighter, lumabas yung fight maturity talaga ni Miel Fajardo sa world title shot.
Just catches him flush. Really did like really right on the butt. Oh, using the ropes to keep him up.
And Fajardo has just got to pick his punches here, and it'll be very surprising if he doesn't get the win. Big left hand again there, straight at the start of the round, and he's almost kind of dragged down to on his knees, quite down to his knees. The gloves touch down as well, but Fajardo just got to get on top of it.
He just needs to stay low for Fajardo and then come in with that left hook. Oh, good fight back there for Galto. Oh, good left hook.
Galto hit by a left hand, but he's trading here, which could be a problem. Good upper body movement from him. He shifts another left hand, big left hand again there. He touches down with the glove. It was a knockdown. The referee didn't give it a second. Left hand puts him onto it.
So nakatikim ng matinding brutal punches itong kalaban ni Miel Fajardo. Isa yan sa dapat ingatan ng Japanese champion o IBF champion, no? So kahit dito bias din yung referee.
What's the referee doing?
Well, the referee's given him extra time there. He missed the knockdown. There was a touchdown with the glove which he missed, and then he was put down. Fajardo just looking for that left hook. Every single time he can throw it, he is throwing it. Dipping low at the waist there, touches down with the glove again, and the referee doesn't see it. That's another knockdown.
There's been about 4 knockdowns in this round. It's tremendous action, it really is.
It is, it's superb. 1 minute 40 remaining in round 2.
Oh, good shots. Oh.
Another big left hand, and he's taken those two somehow. He's thrown back himself. He goes down to his knees, more in exhaustion than anything else, but the referee does count him this time. The corner are looking on there, the Argentinian corner. I don't really know how much more of this I would need to see if I were them. This is a critical stage of his career, of course. He's 17-0. But I think he's done here, and it's only a matter of...
Ito walang halong pagpapanggap, talagang legit ang lakas sumuntok ni Miel Fajardo. Ito yung pinakalas natin, top number 1. Kung saan pinakamatinding rivalry fight ng Pinoy, no? Pero anong ginawa dito ni Miel Fajardo? Ganun din. Kita nyo? Kung ano yung ginawa niya sa mga Argentinian fighter, dito niya muna ginawa yan sa bansang Pilipinas. So ibig sabihin, walang halong benta o pagpapanggap. Marami kasi nagsasabi, ay ano lang yun? Arte lang yun. Parang benta yung fight, hindi ho. Kahit sa Pilipinas, legit na yung mga suntok ni Miel Fajardo. Tulad niya, no? So yung mga ganyang weapon ni Miel Fajardo, sobrang magagamit niya yung brother sa mga dinadayong bansa no? Sa Japan. Pero ano tingin niyo sa makakalaban niyang champion na si Yubuki? Pag sa Japan, anong kailangan ni Miel Fajardo para makuha niya yung IBF belt? Kasi dito brother, meron ng suntok ano? Meron ng suntok panapos. At speaking of suntok panapos, eto brother, Ito yan, no? In a short period of time, ganyan na ganyan. Ang kaibahan lang nito sa top number 1 natin, ito hindi na tumagal pa. Sa isang segundo, knockout agad ang kanyang kalaban. So yan ang ating usapin. Tingin mo, brother, kaya bang maging world champion si Mel Fajardo kontra sa Japanese fighter? I-comment mo.